Yes, today we have Dhanish Modi with us. Dhanish, introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I am Dhanish Modi. I am from Ascent Abacus Brain Gym, South City 2 branch. Today I am going to do the table of 1012 by repeated addition photographically without abacus.
Dhanish, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here your number is 1012. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now start.
1012, 2024, 3036, 4048, 5060, 6072, 7084, 8096, 9108, 10120, 11132, 12144, 13156, 14168, 15180, 16192, 17204, 18216, 19228, 20240, 21252, 222, 64, 23, 276, 24, 288, 25, 300, 26, 312, 27, 324, 28, 336, 29, 348, 30, 360, 31, 372, 32, 384, 33, 396, 34, 408, 35, 420, 36, 432, 37, 444, 38, 456, 39, 468, 40, 480, 41, 492, 42, 504, 43, 516, 44, 528, 45, 540.
Well done. Excellent. Dhani, this is till which length? How long you have done this table of 1012?
45.
45 times. Well done. Well done. Good.